Hey everybody, welcome to Behind the Tool Belt from Adams County Home Show. We are about to get started on the nail pounding contest. And we have Chris Baker, Todd Man, Glenn, and Hallie. So check it out.
Come up, your name is called, you go head to head with one other person. Put the safety glasses on, this is Hammer, this name Hammer.
Excuse me, buddy. Yeah, sorry.
We will set the nail using the
Get a better
depth
shot
gauge.
for you.
So everybody starts with the same depth. When you're in line, you're ready. I'll ask you if you're ready. Ready, ready. On the count of 3, when I say 3, you go. First one to drive it down flush, put your hammer down signifying you're done. If you're not down flush and I can hear the head of the hammer, you lose. It's got to be down below the wood, okay? Pretty simple, right? All right. So we have right now 25 names. See if everybody showed up. The first 2 contestants are Ryan Utley and Nick Taylor. So Ryan and Nick here. There's one of them. Ryan and Nick. So I have Nick. Who do I have here?
I got you, Nick.
Nick's here. Is Ryan here? Okay.
Is that an automatic win?
No. Is Justin here? Okay, Justin, you're up against Nick. Ryan gets a pass. If he's not here by the end of this round, he'll be out. Okay, did you understand the rules? We'll watch your hammer, I'll watch his. If you put it flat, you're done. You're signifying I'm done. Okay? Or you're not done until the hammer hits back down flat. Okay? Safety glasses.
Damn it.
Are both of you
Only
ready?
people trying to get a good shot.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Guy over there. Yep. Out on to the next round. Howie, Rowe, and Tyler Richards.
Alright, well, Hallie's here. Of course, if he's talking about our Tyler, Tyler's not here.
Okay, which one are you? Howie? Tyler here. Tyler Richards. Okay, he gets past till the end of the round. Chris Baker.
Alright, Baker. Come on, buddy.
Okay, so we got, right now we got Howie and Chris. Right?
I got
Okay.
an excuse if I lose, man.
Safety glasses, you're okay with your glasses?
Yeah.
All right, everybody ready? Please say yes or no.
Yes.
1, 2, 3.
Alright. Uh-oh. Come on, come on. Good job, bro. Good job.
Howie's out. I'm looking for Mark Carroll and Landon Ford. Okay.
Alright, guys.
Glasses, there. You don't have to tell me who wins. I'll know who wins. Tell me your name. I'm not gonna bother. Are you both ready? 1, 2, 3.
Whoa.
Okay, which one's out? Landon out?
Weren't you a winner?
I was. I was hammered a while.
Okay.
crew over there waiting their turn.
When did she go? Too late? Should I let her in?
Okay, that's fine.
How about Donnie Jenkins and Spencer Thorpe? We're having a record time of bent nails here. Tell me who wins when you're done. We'll think about the winner, but you got to tell me your name. Okay? Take the glasses. You're okay. You ready? Both of you ready? 1, 2, 3. Don't go. Is it flat? Make sure it's flat. This guy's done. He didn't get his down all the way. This guy here's our winner. Spencer's our winner. And you're at least Donnie. Donnie Jenkins is gone. All right, how about Taylor Schwartzball and Sadie Schwartzball? Well, I know what you're going to do. You're going to
Hey, anybody that's watching this, if you are watching, I'm not, as you can tell, I'm not going live from the studio. Can you please share this out?
All right, safety glass. Pick up your hammer. I'll ask you when you're ready. Ready? Sure. 1, 2, 3. My God. All right, so who's starting?
Absolutely, David.
Nick Ross. Doing good. How you doing? All right? You feel comfortable? You ready to go? Okay, wait a minute. So do I have Paulie and Nick? Is that Nick? Yeah. Okay. Are you both ready? Yes. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, yeah. Good.
Better check that hard. Yep. All the water is out. All right, you get it out of the way. Pull it out or bend it. Yeah, pull it out. You don't want to bother trying to drive it. There's a hole in that board. There's a hole in that what? Hole in the hammer. I got more nails. You have nails? No, it's out of the same box. That one. There's no box. Okay. Ross Hockenberry and Tim Miller. Looks like H-Y-M-I-L-L-E-R. Tim Miller. Tim. Okay, Tim gets past towards the bottom. You're up against Glenn Orr.
All right, Glenn.
You got all these
Come on,
back
buddy.
guys.
Come on.
All right, so we have Ross and Glenn. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3.
Come on, Glenn. All right, buddy. Yeah. Good job. Good job, Glenn. Way to get it, buddy.
Chris Watson and Adam Snyder.
Okay, I think we got one person left from our team, and that would be Mr. Packer.
Yep, it's like changing tires. Who do we have? Adam Snyder. We have Chris Watson. Chris Watson. All right, we'll let him pass. We're almost at the bottom. We need Mark Olweiler. Am I saying that right? O-L-W? Here comes Mark. Okay, Mark. We got Adam and Mark. Right? Okay. Are you ready? Please sing it. One, two, three. Okay. Finish driving in. All right. So, Adam's out and Mark's still in. All right. Isaac, Mar something. Barnett and Ty Backer.
There it goes. Goes the man. Get him, Ty. We are having a lot of fun out here today, everybody. If you still get a chance to come out, we're here until 6 o'clock. Come join us.
You got the gist of it. See through those safety glasses.
Yes, sir.
Are you both ready? 1, 2, 3.
Good job, Ty. So we still have 3 guys in the running from TC Backer. Still got Ty, Glenn, and Chris left. They made it to the second
All
round.
right, we got Aaron and Curtis. Are you both ready? 1, 2, 3. Your guy. Okay, so who's out? Who's out? All right, this is the last chance for the guys who weren't here when we went through the first time. Is Ryan Hubley here? Ryan's out. Tyler Richard. He's not here. He's not here. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, Tyler. Thanks for showing up, buddy.
Miller. Lyman Miller. Tim's out. Chris Watson. Last chance, Chris is out. Okay, so those that weren't here, we started top again. Justin and Chris Baker. Justin, you.
All right, Baker. Come on, buddy. Come on, Baker.
Justin and Chris.
Round 2 for Chris.
I can't read your writing, so if you want to tell me how to pronounce your name, I'll be glad to. Takasala? Takasala. Wow.
Yeah, they are. No,
Okay.
come on. I was like, I'm
All right, safety glasses. Are you ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Oh, man. But I thought my guy was down for a see? Okay, so that means Justin's out. Chris moves on.
All right, Chris. Good job, buddy. Good job.
Danny's door is Spencer's door.
Hey, Tyler, where you at, buddy? So Chris Baker's made it to the next round. We still got to see if Glenn and Ty can get through to the next one.
Because you've been through it once. Landon and Spencer, are you ready? Yep. 1, 2, 3. I got it. Which one are you? Landon moves on. Spencer's out. Tyler Schwartzball and Paulie Pittenger. 1, 2, 3. We're doing good, right? Okay.
That's all right, Tyler. We're well represented here, buddy. Trust me.
That was a great year. All right, you both ready? Yep. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, that was quick. Man.
Glenn Orr and Mark O'Wilder.
All right, Glenn. Come on, buddy. Glenn's up. Round 2. Come on, Glenn. Show him how it's done.
3.
Oh.
All right, that's the mark.
Uh-oh.
I'm out.
Thank you,
All
Glenn.
right. Good job, Glenn.
Last
Good,
two
good
are
job, man.
Mike and Curtis.
All right, ties up.
Round 2. This is the end of round 2.
Come on, Ty.
Is that a good thing this year for you? I don't know. Yeah. Then you want to raise next week, too. All right, are you both ready? Ready. 1, 2, 3. Your guy? Yep. Sorry, Todd.
Oh, boy. All right, well,
Okay, Curtis moves on. Round 3.
last one in is Chris Baker.
We have Chris Baker and Landon Thorpe.
All right, here we go. Baker's our last hope.
Your last hope. Are you ready, guys? Yep. 1, 2, 3.
Good job, Baker. Let him have it, buddy.
Wally Pittner and Mark Olwild.
Say hi. Baker made it through, man. He's the last one, Tyler.
Oh, you gotta pull him back out.
Yeah. And then
Hey, Belmont Dean, thank you guys for everything you've done, man. All the coffee has been a big hit here.
we can do another one.
Sam, what's up? Hold on, let me show you Julie again. Sam said hi.
Hi, Sam.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, major upset. Major upset.
Now we're down to
Yes, Julie's doing a great job. So did Sam. Sam did a great job yesterday too, man. Our little baristas.
I'm not even a field guy, right? Well, I do Sam. But I have Curtis Calloway and Chris Baker. Curtis and Chris.
All right, Baker's back up again.
Get another one. Yeah, if you don't like it, don't expect them to like it.
Yes, they did. They both killed it. Sam, it was great seeing you guys here.
Tell me who's doing you win. Got Chris and Curtis, right? Yep. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
All right. Well. Well, let's hang in here and see who actually wins this thing now.
Oh my goodness. That's it? I got 2. Just double check. Yeah, I need Mark and Curtis back up here. Curtis, you back up, Mark. This is it. This is the winner.
All right. Yeah, they did good though, Tyler, man. They hung in there.
Okay, everybody, the winner.
This is it.
Everybody ready? Are you guys ready? 1, 2, 3.
All right. Great job, man. Great job. Joey,
I'm gonna do it next time.
you're gonna do it next time?
No, I
You
can't.
should.
I can't now.
Can you grab that for me, please?
Yeah, I
Thank you. Good stuff. Well, I hope everybody enjoyed that, man. We're having a blast out here today. So I think we'll probably be back on in the studio here. I don't know, sometime today. There's Mr. Baker.
Mr. Bake Sam.
What's up, buddy?
Fair place, man.
You did great, man. Great job.
I know, right?
Great job.
This is better than what I would do.
Yeah.
That miss. You get that miss,
Yep,
man.
you're done.
I skipped off on that last hit. And
You go sideways once
all
and
those
you're done.
last guys, though, they're good, man.
Yeah. Yeah, it was good stuff, man. The whole thing. Yep.
We place.
Yep.
Next year we're gonna win.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's how it is.
That's the way it is. Daniel Barker, good to see you, man. We will be back on. I'm not sure when, so we're kind of playing it by ear at this point. I'm trying to see if there's anybody else. Let me snatch Ty up real quick before I get off of here.
I'm gonna put this up in there.
All right. So we're still live.
Number one.
Number one.
Number one.
Yeah, you did great, man. Represented well.
Thank you, brother.
Yeah, man. Hey, look, we had what? Four guys, right?
Yeah.
Yep. 4 guys made it, so it's all good. We will. Colin, I'm not sure who won. Who's the guy that won? Do we know who he worked for?
No.
No, I'm
I
not
think
sure.
it was a plumber dude.
Yeah, I think it was a plumber, Colin.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, yep, it was really cool. So we'll be back on live here at some point today.
Yeah.
A couple more times.
Yeah.
And there's Mr. Denny and the Buckster. Yep.
Disney trip.
Everything's going really good, man. We still got the coffee going. Everybody hanging out, having fun. So we will all see you shortly.